Hi, today I'm doing another What I Eat in a Day video on the Weight Watcher Points Plan. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, come on along and watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a What I Eat in a Day video. It is my last day in Florida before we are going on another cruise to Panama Canal. It is a 10-day cruise, and from there I will be driving back to Ohio. So if you'd like to see what I eat today on my last day in Florida, be sure to watch this video. Yes, you heard that right. I am going on another cruise. I won a cruise on a casino gaming package when I was in Las Vegas last year. So I booked this one earlier, and it's a 10-day cruise to the Panama Canal. So today I'm kind of wrapping up my time in Florida. I'm packing, washing clothes, doing some last minute things, and I'm starting off my day with some iced coffee. So this is a 1-point iced coffee. And then I'm gonna make some breakfast. So I'm back outside on the patio enjoying my breakfast. I made a bacon and cheese omelet, and that is 3 points. And then I have a 2-point English muffin with 1 point's worth of jelly. So this is meal and some strawberries. So this is 6 points plus the 1 point for my iced coffee. So 7 points for this breakfast. Today we're at Gulfstream Park. See if we can pick some winners this afternoon. Usually I'm in the sun, but it's a little cloudy today, so I thought I'd come over here for the last time this year. For lunch, I'm having a sandwich on toast, a Sara Lee Delightful, 2 pieces of the smoked turkey bologna, and 1 point's worth of light Miracle Whip, and 2-point piece of American cheese. So this is 6 points for this sandwich. So we got takeout for our last night here in Florida at Flanagan's. It is a really good restaurant, and I got some blackened tilapia, some rice, and some vegetables, and a little coleslaw. So the points for this are 8 points. This is my last dinner tonight in Florida before the cruise starts, and it is really good. For a snack today, I'm having a few potato chips and some popcorn, and this is 4 points worth along with a Diet Pepsi. So that's going to be the end of this What I Eat in the Day video. I ended the day using 29 Weight Watcher points. My next video will be about the cruise. I'll try to do another one of those. And then when I'm back in Ohio, I will be able to have my regular cooking utensils. And I know the meals I've made here in Florida have been a little bit repetitive. I do not buy snacks because I don't want to eat them. There's enough on the cruise to tempt me. So when I was here in between, I just tried to avoid them, so I didn't buy anything. So I hope you enjoyed this series from Florida. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.